start again. It's a rage thing.
Welcome back to another video, guys. So, gonna be a quick one, I think. I've just got a few bits to show you. So, Melodysusie has sent me this over, and it'd be a very short video if I just showed you this on its own, I think. So I thought I'd show you a few other bits. So this is, don't know if it tells you on the box what it is. I love this packaging though. Look at this nice box. Does it tell you under this what it is? No. Melodysusie, bring your beauty salon home. I've noticed recently Melodysusie has brought out loads of little like organiser folders and drill bit folders and all cute stuff. So this is a brush folder or something. This box is solid. It's really nice. Look at this. It's so posh. Look, guys. Oh wow, this is nice. I love this packaging. Yeah, so this is a brush holder. Oh, it's not as, I thought it was going to be a lot bigger than that. It's, I'd say A5, a little bit bigger than A5, I think. This zip, oh look, really nice quality zip. That's nice, and it feels solid. I like it. It is good quality. I like this. That zip is a solid zip. I like that. They've not cut any corners on this material and the zip. Oh, look at this. So it holds lots of brushes. I like, oh, it's all very stiff. These are solid. So let me grab some brushes. I don't really want to put any branded brushes in it because it's Melodysusie. I'll just pick some old brushes out and just hide the names. So yeah, these are really strong elastics. I like it. I do, I like it. Yeah, they're strong. So you could fit all different size brushes. You could use, like these ones I can see are thicker. So you could put some fluffy dust off brushes. You could even use these flappy bits for brushes that you've not opened yet, maybe. We can do dotting tools, silicone tools. I would imagine if you wanted, you could even put scissors, cuticle bits, other tools in there. Oh, I like this. What's this for? I'm not sure. Right. And I've also seen that you are supposed to be able to... Oh, I don't know how you do it. I don't want to do it, but you can fold it over and stand it up. I don't want to do it. I don't want to bend it. This crease here, you're supposed to be able to fold it back and it stands up on your desk. Oh, I don't want to do it. It's very stiff. Should I do it? I don't want to. It feels very stiff. I like that. I like that a lot. It's very well made. Very well made. And then you just zip it back up. I like it. I do like it. Good quality. I've got a discount code for Melodysusie as well. Go and check out all the new folders and tools, and yeah, they've brought out a lot of new exciting things recently, Melodysusie have. I will leave the link for this, and I'll leave the link for the website below with my discount code. So let me pack all this away and we'll have a nosy at what else I got. Right, so these were off AliExpress. I ordered these ages ago and they've just turned up. Where do they open? There. So these are water decals. These are quite cool. Should I bring you in a bit now? So these are like graffiti, and it's got like, I'm not sure, but yeah, these are all like graffiti. Look at these. These are cool. You could do all stuff like this with all those Born Pretty all them acrylic pens and stuff that I recently got from Born Pretty. You could do all this graffiti stuff. They don't particularly say anything that says okay. They're just like graffiti, aren't they? I think they're really smart. This one, Blink, More. Yeah, they don't really say anything cohesive, do they? True Love, oh my god, Rock. Yep. Don't Love Me, Don't Touch Me. Cool. Yeah, these are quite, what does that say? Sane. Oh, I'm not even going to attempt to read that. It's got snakes on there. More graffiti. I like these. Rainbow Drippy Lips. They're cool. And lastly, we've got them ones. They're cool. Got fangs. I like them. And I also got some glitter. So this is from Colours World, obviously. These are fantastic metallic collections. So this is a collection of 12, and these are, they're like a medium hex, a small hex, and a fine. And if you look closely, they're holographic, but they've got little grid, like little grid print on them, and they are so thin and soft, really, really thin material. So this one is like a dusty pink. It's hard to see the colour because of the hollow. That's the colour of that one. I love this holographic print. Then we've got, this one is a beautiful, beautiful purple. If I hold them on the side like that, you can see the colour. And then you can see the hollow and the little grid. They're not textured to feel or anything. They're completely flat, ultra, ultra thin glitter. But yeah, they've just got that little print, like grid. They're really, really smart. That's a beautiful colour, that. So we've got another like fuchsia kind of pink. Oh wow, look at the colours in that. I really like that these are not big hexes either. I don't like mixes with big hex. This is like a medium, a small and a fine. Beautiful colour, that. Right, let's get through them. Ooh, look at that. Red one. Then we've got like a royal blue. That's a beautiful colour. Beautiful colour, that. Beautiful. Then we've got like an aqua blue, I'd say. I like that. And then we've got a couple of greens, actually. That's like a green, and that's more of a sage green, would you say? I like them. Then we've got like, oh, this is nice. This is orange. I really like that. I don't have anything that colour. That's a different kind of colour for a glitter, isn't it? I haven't got a metallic orange like that. And again, this is yellow. I like that. Yeah, I've not seen metallic in yellow or orange. Looks gold on camera, actually, but if you look at it next to this gold, this is like a rose gold, actually. Bit of a rose kind of gold. Gorgeous. And lastly, standard, we've got to have a silver. I love how soft this is. Super, super soft and thin. These would be really easy to encapsulate on a nail. They're so soft. So there's that collection. And lastly, I've got one more collection. These are stunning. I've never seen anything like this collection. So this is a collection of 12 as well. I can't remember what they're called. Pearly or mermaidy or something. It's going to be hard to explain. I'm just going to show you. They've got like a pearly, almost like abalone shell kind of look to them. Can you see the pearly finish some of these hex have got on them? They almost look like slices of shell. They are stunning. It's not holographic, they're like pearly. Exactly that, like slices of shell. And again, I'll hold it on its side. This is like a rose pink. I love that effect. I've never seen that on a glitter, actually. Rosy pink. And then this is like a pink. I love it. I love that effect. Isn't it smart? That's a beautiful colour. And then this one again is like a really nice lilac. Bit darker than a lilac. But they've all got that pearly effect going on. These are stunning. And this is a bizarre colour. It's like a very, very pale, purpley, bluey. Beautiful. And we've got a couple of blues. These look very similar. This one on the left is more of a green. They're stunning, aren't they? I really, really like them. And then these two are very similar. That's a green. And this one's like a silver. Almost colour shifts from a silver to a green. It's got a slight lilac going through it. These are stunning. And this is like a pinky silver. It's got a hint of purple in there. Aren't these unique? And this is like a, not sure, bit of a goldy pink colour. And then this one is like a yellowy gold / green. Love it. And lastly, we've got like a gold with different colours going through it. Yeah, that pearl effect is different colour on every glitter, isn't it? Yeah, I love these. Really, really love these. Different, unique. Anyway, guys, that is it for today. I will leave the link for the Melodysusie stuff below. I'll leave the link for these glitters and the decals below. Oh, there's fireworks going off. It is New Year's Day today. Can you hear the fireworks, guys? It is New Year's Day night, and I am bored, so I thought I'd come and record, but I've had to stop for a minute. The fireworks. I was just going to say, I'm very surprised my dogs are not barking. She was fast asleep. Has that woke you up, darling? Bloody fireworks. Right, I'm going to pause it, guys. Right, guys, that is it for today. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already. And hopefully I'll see you in my next one. Take care. Bye.